How can I perform a free reverse phone lookup?
Hello, viewers. In today's video, we're going to explore how to perform a free reverse phone lookup. So, if you've got a mystery number on your call log and you're curious to know who's behind it, then you're in the right place.
What is a reverse phone lookup?
A reverse phone lookup is a way to identify the owner of a phone number. You enter the phone number into a service, and it returns the name, address, or even more details of the person who owns it. This can be incredibly useful when you're dealing with unknown numbers or you want to avoid potential scam calls.
Is reverse phone lookup free?
While there are many reverse phone lookup services out there, some of them do charge a fee. But don't worry, there are also several free services available. It's important to note, however, that the amount of information provided by free services might be less comprehensive than their paid counterparts.
How to perform a free reverse phone lookup?
To perform a free reverse phone lookup, follow these steps. 1. Locate a free reverse phone lookup service. This could be a mobile app or a website. Since we're avoiding links, some examples of popular services include White Pages, Anywho, and Truthfinder. 2. Enter the phone number. You need to type the phone number into the search bar. Make sure to include the area code for the most accurate results. 3. Analyze the results. After hitting the search or lookup button, you'll receive the information linked to that number. Remember that the details might be limited in free versions.
Are there any risks?
Performing a reverse phone lookup is generally safe, but remember to be cautious of services that ask for your personal details or insist on creating an account before revealing any information. Always protect your privacy and use trusted sources for your search. And that's it. Now you know how to perform a free reverse phone lookup. It's a handy skill that can help you unveil the mystery behind unknown numbers. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Stay safe, and happy sleuthing!